It's good, from Highsnob in Paris. As you can see, we're showroom vibes right now. Great brands. We've got Sasquatch Fabrics. We talked to the homie Robert from CHILDS. My man Kyle from Brain Dead. It's looking good, man. He's in good company. It's cool. They all just got together and they were like, hey, you want to come to Paris? And so, they're all homies and it's a great group of people to be around. So it's nice. It's nice. It's also nice, man. Paris Fashion Week so far has been really hectic, so it's nice to be able to come to a showroom and talk to the designers one-on-one and really get to see the clothes up close. It's nice. And we're here with Kyle from Brain Dead, man. How are you?
Good, man.
So how's everything been so far?
It's been good. Really great time. Always Paris is fun.
For those that might not be familiar with Brain Dead, how would you describe your brand?
I mean, Brain Dead's really just kind of about like our community and friends that we do stuff with. Like, we do a lot of art, music, and cultural stuff, and we just kind of encapsulate that in our brand. So, mostly it's clothing, but we do a lot of shows and curation of art shows and make a lot of products around it.
So, obviously, the new clothes.
Yeah.
You want to talk me through the collection a little bit?
Yeah, man. I mean, a lot of this stuff is just kind of like mixed with like artist collaborations and just like just kind of stuff that represents like California design. So like this is a piece we did with B. Tom Stevenson, this artist from New York, and these are all of these patches he designed for us, and we designed this shirt.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that everything has this just very like artisan kind of vibe to it.
Yeah, man. That's what I love about it.
And the name Brain Dead, where did that come from?
Brain Dead was just kind of designed based off me and my partner just kind of came up with it randomly. That was made probably like 5 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first off, CHILDS, your brand obviously. For those that may not be aware of CHILDS, how would you describe it?
Say modern menswear, just trying to make a new wardrobe that's kind of rooted in the past, I guess, right? So there's a lot of classic things classic shapes and ideas, always focus on that, but trying to like elevate with new cuts, new fabrics. So yeah, just like a modern wardrobe, I think, right? So thinking about the future too, just like ideas that will just be timeless, right?
Yeah, for sure. That's a crazy piece. I'm really into this rubber patch situation that seems to really be taking off in menswear right now.
This was came from, I always wear a pen here.
Yeah, oh,
so
okay.
The position on that was kind of reminiscent of that, and then we did some pens this season, so
nice.
Always have it handy,
Nice.
Yeah.
And you're a skater?
Used to be when I was less old and more agile.
The influence seems very troppy, maybe West Coast, or what do you?
Yeah, I mean the idea was like Joshua Tree desert tripping, so yeah.
But just like a mix on the whole thing.
My heart's in California these days a bit, so definitely some ideas to want to move out there, maybe move the operation, but I don't know if it's so easy.
Well, thank you, man.
Yeah, for sure. Thanks for coming through.
Of course.